How's it, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. So yeah, I just want to quickly go over. I did take some positions. Yeah, did take some positions. And so I'm long on Solana. I'm long on Bitcoin Cash. So I took a long at 105, like to these highs. And Bitcoin Cash, I'm also long. Yeah. Yeah, just want to let you know, just so you understand what I'm doing. But I'll show you my positions now, just so you can see the trades. We took longs on Solana and Bitcoin Cash. So this is the trade setups currently right now that I'm in. Yeah. If you want to take these positions, the thing is, like, it is pumping a bit now. So my mistake did use 50x for Bitcoin Cash. I was only meant to use 20x, but it is playing towards my advantage. But yeah, we took a long on Solana and Bitcoin Cash. Yeah. So yeah, just so you know, we will be looking at some other coins. I don't know why this is not leaving the screen. Give me 1 minute, yeah, I don't know what's happening. There we go. Yeah, how's everyone doing today? How is everyone doing? So basically we took those positions like a couple minutes ago. I don't know why it keeps on coming up there. We want to minimize this. Yeah, there we go. So you guys don't have to see that. So yeah, we took longs for Solana and Bitcoin Cash. Right? So those are the trades. These are the setups. It's hard for you to take the trade now because it is currently pumping. But yeah, if you want to take it, you can take it. But I think this Bitcoin Cash is going to play out very well because the thing is, it comes so much today. Like the 4-hour candle closed bearish, but look how beautiful this is looking. It already created a bottom wick, and the 1-hour candle just looks beautiful. So we are long on Bitcoin Cash and Solana at the moment. Let's see how this plays out. But it looks like Solana might break the highs here. Bitcoin Cash, nice. Yeah, so let's see how it plays out. Solana looks like it will play out. I do apologize for, I was meant to start a little bit earlier to give you these signals a bit earlier, but it is whatever. It is whatever. Yeah, Solana, we up quite a bit here. We are up around about 7%. Bitcoin Cash, we're up 12%. Yeah, this looks clean, right? Bitcoin Cash looks very good. Like, you want to be taking profit at like 219.75. Okay, which is quite a nice increase. So like 1.5% increase. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. We're still looking for soul entry. Yeah, I think it's a bit late to get in the soul, to be honest with you. But we'll look at soul's already pumped, right? I would say it's a little bit late. But like the whole market's looking good. Like Bitcoin, let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's have a look here. Yeah, so Bitcoin, it's looking good. So what I'm looking at for Bitcoin is bars above this level here at like 26,641. Definitely looking at bars above there. Because if you look at the 4 hour, this is like my whole thesis for today, right? I was explaining it to the one trader in the room earlier, because I trade with there's a guy that sits next to me. So basically we have this 4 hour area over here. It's a very, very strong level of resistance, okay? And we have this level here. So once over here, then we're going to see quite a nice move. But yeah, let's see how the positions are doing. Let's see. So also, guys, if you on CoinW, if you do not know how to trade, I've got, so this is my main account, okay? This is my main account, but I also have this other account where I've started up. So this is me, and then this is also me here. So I have 2 accounts for CoinW. You can follow either one. I basically trade on both of them. But yeah. Pepe, I was looking at bars. Oh my word. Yeah, missed this one. I was looking at bars over here. Back up to these highs. That was at support, so that would have been a beautiful trade. Let's have a look at WorldCoin. Yeah, so WorldCoin pumped back into the range. Nice. Okay. So obviously only bars we're looking at today. Only bars we're looking at today. WorldCoin back above the range here. So what I'll look at for WorldCoin. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for this candle to flip bullish, and then I'll take longs. Back up to this higher, around about a 2% move. Yeah. So I'm not in this trade. We need to see this to flip bullish. So what I'll do is we're waiting for the candle to flip bullish here. Okay. But yeah, we if you guys did just join, we did take Bitcoin Cash longs. Yeah. Like essentially, I've got my TP up here, but it's very ambitious. So I will take some profit at like 219.7. and then potentially at this high here. Okay. But yeah, we got two trades in, Solana longs and Bitcoin Cash longs. Let's have a look at some other coins. So we're obviously waiting for this to flip bullish. XRP. If you guys joined my live stream yesterday, we did a 2-hour live stream, and I actually took this trade on the live stream. XRP. It was a beautiful setup. Obviously, I'm out of that now, but it was very, very nice. Yeah, also APT, I took these longs here. I did actually take profit like around about, I think it was this level. I did take profit already. I don't want to really look at this setup, it's not really showing anything. Let's have a look at Dogecoin. Yeah, this was a beautiful trade that I took the other day. It was on the stream as well. This trade on stream. But yeah, it's not really showing anything at the moment as well. Have a look at comp. Okay. Yeah, so look how nice this setup was. Break of the trend line. If you took bars there, it would have been beautiful. I didn't actually take that trade, but this is why you do analysis, because then you come back to it and be like, okay, that would have actually worked out if you had to see it. Okay. So let's see here. Okay. So you can see that currently we're struggling to break above this level here. It is quite a struggle to break above here. So we're gonna wait for price to obviously close above there, which is at 41.29. You can see it's like kind of like a triple top on the 5 minutes. So when the next 15-minute candle flips bullish and closes above here, we can take longs. Back up to this high. Stop loss would have to be below here. Okay. So we're gonna wait for this potential setup. Potential setup, definitely. But yeah, let's see how this Bitcoin Cash plays out. So I do think the Solana entry would have been a bit late. Like, it would have been a bit late. So if you guys did just join, we took Bitcoin Cash bars, we took Solana bars, and then obviously we're waiting for WorldCoin bars on the flip. When this flips bearish, sorry, when it flips bullish, we will take these bars, but only when it flips bullish, we're gonna take it. Have a look at the 5 minutes. Yeah, so I want to show you guys my trades yesterday. All my trades yesterday were actually in profit. And some today. So you can see here, like all of my trades I use is pretty much 20x. Mainly just 20x. someone else. Yeah, so basically the account given to me over here on the 20x, you can see people using 100x, but then I started on the 20x. So yeah, it looks good. I have a 100% win rate on this account at the moment, which is obviously it's not going to last. No one really has a 100% win rate. It won't last, but 2 days it's been 100%. So because I'm trying to flip this account, I'll show you. We have a margin. Oh, my Solana actually took profit. Okay, so it hit TP where I put it. So we have a margin of $200 on the trade. I mean, yeah, $232 on the trade. So basically, I'm risking 10% per trade. Okay. Yeah. Wait, you can't see my screen. I'm risking 10% per trade. So my Solana did actually take profit already, but it's a $2,000 account, and I have to try get as much ROI as possible. So I think I'm up around about 10% in 2 days. I'm trying to get to like 20%, which is obviously quite good in 2 days. We'll see. Ooh, there's a pump. Nice. Look at that. I don't know why it keeps lagging. Sorry about this, guys. There you go. We're up 20% on this trade. Bitcoin Cash for the win. Bitcoin Cash for the win. I'm gonna take out some profit here. Take out like 15%. Yeah, but wait, it's fine. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Just had someone walk in my office. Yeah, so we're still long here. We are still long here. Did you guys take the trade? Let me know in the comments if you took this trade. We are in, let's have a look here. 20%. Almost. So I'm gonna post this to the Telegram just so. Okay. Let me know if you took this trade, guys. I know Abby took it. Well done, Abby. Yeah, so we are in profit. Oh no, we didn't see if Bitcoin. Okay, we missed WorldCoin, guys. Yeah, we missed WorldCoin. We were meant to take some longs, yeah. Sorry about that. We did miss that. Yeah, good morning, good morning, good morning. Gold King, how are you, my man? What do you mean? I don't know why. I thought about way too many things open here. Let me just post. Beautiful, dude. Good, that's good. Sorry, a lot of people just keep walking in. Because I post a signal, because I'm currently in the office as well. But whenever I post a signal, I send it to the office as well. A lot of people are like, oh, Bitcoin Cash. You know what I mean? But yeah, I think We're gonna hold this, eh? We should hold this. We did take some money out though. We took out 50%. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, guys, also, like, sometimes my stream, like now, it's very laggy. I think I'm gonna have to restart like my whole system, but obviously I'll do it after this live, just to reset everything. But I am getting a PC, because I'm moving to my apartment on Monday. I'm gonna get a PC and a whole trading setup. Yeah, like I was saying yesterday, we've had a 100% win rate in 2 weeks on the stream. It's crazy. We haven't lost on stream in 2 weeks. And we just keep it simple, right? We don't use any indicators. We don't use any of this stuff, right? We keep it simple. Yeah, thanks, man. I've been staying in a hotel for. I moved to Dubai 6 months ago. So I've been in a hotel for 6 months, and I've been looking for an apartment for like 6 months. So I'm glad that I've finally found one. But it's a whole process, right? Like I have to unfurnish, I have to buy a bed, I have to buy all of this stuff. So I'm moving in this weekend. But I'm excited to have my own trading setup. Because currently I'm using a MacBook to stream, and recently it's been coming very slow. I need to get a new laptop, or like I need to get a new PC. That's why I've ordered a PC, because it's a lot faster, it's a lot better, and obviously when I'm streaming, I want the experience for you guys to be better as well. So we're up quite a bit still. We did take 50% out at 28%. What about World? Yeah, I know, we missed World. We did miss World. Let's see what's happening though. The thing is with me, like, if I don't get the entry I want, I'm not going to take the trade, right? Like, yeah, you see, we did miss this, guys. I do apologize. I do apologize. But this was the trade. It flipped bullish, and look what's happening. The whole market's bullish, right? I've sent in the Telegram today. We're only looking for bars today. There was another trade I was looking at. I can't even remember. It wasn't I think it was XRP. Have a look. Yeah, XRP waiting for bars above there. Ooh, Bitcoin Cash is pumping. We should be up like 30% now. Let's have a look. 25, my bad. 26%. We're up around about 26% on the trade. I did take out 50%, but I'm gonna hold this one. There's just too much buying volume at the moment. Yeah. So that is the trade. The thing is right now, like a lot of coins have kind of pumped. So in order to get like entries, oh, it was comp. Not, it wasn't XRP, it was comp. Look how laggy it is. It's frustrating me. I think I've just got too much. Yeah, we're still waiting for this, guys. Comp. We're waiting for bars above 41.29. So I'm not going to take bars now just because the market's bullish. I want comp to break out, right? Oh my god. Bitcoin Cash is pumping. Just pumps and then dumps. Here. Why is it so laggy? I'm actually like so frustrated. Yeah. Pumped and then dumped. You're looking at comp, yeah, comp. I'm not in the trade though. We have to wait. Yeah, you see like comp right now, we have to wait for price to close above 41.29. And if it doesn't close above, then it's not valid, okay? The thing is, Bitcoin is getting rejected now. Like, how's that, right? So if we might have to look at taking profits for Bitcoin Cash because of this rejection, yeah. Quite a big volumes candle spark down there. This is why we did take out 50% though, just bear that in mind. Like, we did take out 50% because of carrying profits and potential reversal. Because the market is kind of like in an indecisive mode right now. So obviously we're bullish, right? But there's going to be a lot of people try to short the market as well. So Bitcoin not looking good yet, to be honest. Bitcoin Cash is struggling. Is struggling, but we'll see. We're holding this. We're still holding this because the thing is, like, when you take out profits, right? The reason why I'm taking it out because I want the rest to run. And if it comes down, it hits break even. Well, at least I took money out, right? And this trade was a 50x with by mistake. I don't trade 50x. It was by mistake. I normally use 20x for altcoins, but my mistake use 50. I don't like the look of this for Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Because it's getting rejected right now, it's pulling down the whole market. Yo, this lag is like really irritating me. I don't know why it's lagging so much. There has to be a reason. Must be because I've got stuff open. Let me just try close this thing. Put Telegram. Mainly the browsers that actually chow a lot of data. We're back up to 20%. Nice. Will we keep holding Bitcoin Cash? Yes. I am. But the thing is, I'm gonna hold it because I've taken out some profits. And Bitcoin Cash is bullish, right? It's bullish on the 4 hour, it's bullish on the daily. It's bullish on every single time frame. I'm gonna hold. I am gonna hold. We're gonna hold and we're gonna hold. This is nice though, because Bitcoin's getting rejected and Bitcoin Cash still pumping. We're back to 26%. Nice. Very, very nice. Back to 20% now. 17%. The thing is, the reason why mine goes up so quickly and goes down because it's on a 50x. So yeah. But if you come to my streams, you'll learn. Like I know I see Gold and Derek. I see you guys and Abby sometimes. I see you guys every day, and what you'll learn is you want to be holding the trades, especially like if your higher time frame analysis matches your lower time frame, then obviously you want to be holding towards the higher time frame. Okay. The only reason why I look at the 5 minute and the 15 minutes is to get my entries. Okay, sometimes I'll analyze the 15 and the 5. But my entries will be on the 5 and the 15. Whereas if I'm bullish on the 4 hour or like the 1 hour, then I'll take longs on the 15 and the 5. You know what I mean? I hope that makes sense. It's more of just like an entry thing. A lot of people are like, oh, you trade the 5 minute, trade the 5 minute. I'm like, yeah, well, sometimes, but it's basically because I'm just getting my entries, right? I'm not going, like when I chart, I'm not going to go straight to the 5 minute and be like, okay, I'm looking for longs. I'll go to the 4 hour, I'll go to the daily, then I'll go to the 1 hour and be like, okay, like it's looking bullish there. So my bias is bullish. Okay, now we go down to the 15 and the 5. What are we doing on the 5 and the 15? We're looking for entries. Okay. And that's how I trade. It's yeah, a lot of people use indicators. I can't. can't use indicators. It just doesn't make sense. I used to use indicators and then I lost a lot of money. Yeah, my first 2 years of trading was very, very rough. I lost a lot of money when I was trading the first 2 years. But now, obviously, doing a lot better. The whole point is to be profitable, right? If you want this to be your end all in your career, well then you have to make sure you are sticking to risk management. Like, if you only have $1,000 in your account, you should only really be risking $50 to $100 per trade. Okay. It's even $100 is like, I use on this trade, it was $230 on a $2,000 account. But I have a bit more experience, so like I understand that if it hits my stop loss, it hits my stop loss, right? But the thing is, like, a lot of people trade, and like even in the Telegram group, I put stop losses there, and the reason why I put it there, it's for a reason, right? Because if the stop loss gets hit, then the trade's most probably just going to carry on getting absolutely wrecked, right? But the reason why you put the stop loss there is just because to secure your capital, right? And if you don't use the stop loss, you will lose a lot more money, right? Because the thing is, obviously, like this account, in the last 2 days, like I have a 100% win rate, but like I was saying earlier, it's not going to last, right? I think my main account, if I look at my main account, let's have a look. My main account only has 65% win rate, okay? But this account, so I'm trading on 2 different copy trading accounts. This account here, like I said, Solana, OP, you can see I only started this account, was over here. So they gave me this account, the company, because they want me to trade on this account. They gave me this account here from Bitcoin OP here. So I've had a 100% win rate on this account so far. The whole point for me on this account is to make the company money around. Bitcoin Cash coming down a bit. Nothing really to worry about there. There's nothing to worry about. Like, look at this, right? So initially my entry was at this green support. Now, like, let me actually go through this analysis so you can understand. So we go down to the 4-hour chart, right? 4-hour chart. We had a massive breakout of this trend line, okay? Huge breakout here. So I was like, okay, we bullish. What's gonna happen when we bullish? We wait for retracements, right? So you go down to the 1 hour and you're like, okay, where is our support that we can look at? So on the 1 hour time frame, we can't really see a support. So I was like, okay, we can't really see a support here, but let's go down to the 15 to see if we can see a support, right? And this green box is your support. So I did enter a bit late. So I was actually meant to enter at this green box because that is the level that price action, we tapped into and then we got rejected, right? So we tapped into the zone. So this is where I entered. So basically it came down and then I entered on the bullish candle here, and then I put my stop loss below the wick. But if I waited, like, obviously I'm not perfect, right? So sometimes my entry will be a bit off. But if I waited and waited for this green box, we would have had a better entry. So yeah. Let's have a look though. I think WorldCoin would have come back down. I want to see if it played out though. I don't think it would have. The thing is with WorldCoin, you have to, when you trade WorldCoin, it's like you have to be in and out, right? You want to be holding this coin for long. Yeah, I came back to entry. I'm not going to take this trade. It's coming down a bit. Yeah, I need to sort out this lag. Can't even look at the chart. So that's a trade for today. Yeah, the whole thing, like, all about also taking profits, right? If you, because sometimes, like, I'll do 10 trades in a day, right? And let's just say 6 out of 10 hits. They hit take profit, right? And 4 hit stop loss, right? That's a 60% win rate. And my stop loss is always less than my take profit, okay? You always need to make sure, like my stop loss here is there's 0.73%, where my take profit's like 1.5%, so it's double. Yeah. So my risk to reward is 1:2, so you know what I mean. Always make sure your risk to reward is good, then you'll be fine. I'm not liking the look of Bitcoin Cash because, to be honest with you guys, the higher time frame is bullish. I do understand that, like, we are bullish, but Bitcoin's struggling, and if it's a ranging market, it is a Friday as well. So if we see a breakout, it'll probably be Sunday, because that's when the weekly candle closes, and on the Friday, you know, it's kind of, the market doesn't really break out. So what I'll do here, I might just close this position. Essentially, I could leave it in, just put my stop loss at break even. But because I'm trading for the company, I need to make sure I'm securing profits. I trade any time frame I feel is good for the percent I need for the day. From one minute to 1 hour, my risk management is good enough to be able to set out my next 10% trade. Yeah, well, if it works for you, it works for you, right? The thing is, like, yeah, it's good. I sometimes use the 1 minute as well. So you probably use the 1 minute to get your entries, right? Am I right by saying that you use the higher time frames to get your overall analysis? Because that's how I do it, okay? I use the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily to be like, okay, we're bullish for today, we're looking for long positions. Once we got that, I then go, okay, where's my support, where's my resistance? Then the next thing I do is I wait for retracements to either support or the resistance. If I see a nice big bottom wick at my support, and then I see a bullish candle closure above that support, then I'll take longs. Yeah, very simple like that. Same thing with a resistance, right? If a resistance holds and I see a massive top wick and closes bearish below the resistance, then you can take sells. And if it closes above the resistance, then you can look at buys. Stuff like that. But the more you guys join, the more you'll learn, because some trades are different, right? Yeah, so Bitcoin Cash, I'm probably going to take profit here, guys. I'm not saying that, I just don't like to look at Bitcoin, to be honest. Bitcoin's not looking good. So I'm going to take profit, yeah. Whatever. That's beautiful though, because now I'm up. Because the whole point of this account that I'm trading on now is, if I started this account 2 days ago, I started on $2,000. Now I'm on 2,198. So I'm up 10% on the account in 2 days, which is obviously good. So I did take profit there. Yeah, we aren't in any positions now. The thing is, Bitcoin Cash could come back down, right? If it comes back down to this green box, then what I'll do is I'll be like, okay, could be a triple bottom. We could look at another long. But we scalping, right? I don't need to hold this trade until December, right? I need to hold this trade until I'm comfortable with what I've gained in the market. The thing is, a lot of traders, like when they first start trading, like when I first started trading, you want that 100%, you want that 1,000% trade. Like even to this day, I've only had like a couple of those trades, right? But because I'm trading and I'm taking out 10 to 20%, 30% a day on each trade, that adds up to one of those 100 to 200% trades, right? So, and also I'm making money from fees. So with CoinW, if most of you guys trade on CoinW, I would assume, you get fees, right? So I get like a couple $100 of fees every day because I'm trading so much. So yeah, we are out of the trade. I think it is a Friday. I'm moving into my apartment this weekend, so I need to go buy some stuff. So I think I might have to call it. I think I might have to call the stream. But let's go over one more analysis here, so just to let you know what I'm looking at. So we're looking at comp long positions as well. So let's go back to comp. Yeah, so comp's approaching. So we're waiting for bars above 21.29. When we get that, when we see a candle close above 21.29, then we take bars. Yeah. And that's pretty much the only setup I'm looking at today. Fridays are like kind of my chill days. But I'll obviously keep you guys updated in the Telegram group if I look at another setup. But I do have to do a couple things today. And I don't normally stream on Fridays, but the market was looking good. And I have been enjoying streaming lately. So I'll see you guys. I might actually stream tomorrow, depending if I get all my stuff set up. But yeah, I'll let you guys know in the Telegram if I do that. But have a look at this trade here. 21.29. Once we get 50-minute candle closure above there,